Measure and track performance. The key to having strong website content is to understand that you need to keep it very relevant to your audience. यानी कि you need to say that which type of content is doing well with your audience and how can you do that? आप देखें कि आपका कौन सी blog post share हो रही है, आपका कौन सा web page share हो रहा है, किस पे ज़्यादा engagement create हो रही है, and that is how you understand कि इस पेज का कंटेंट वैसा है जो जैसा हम मेरी ऑडियंस मांग रही है, और अगर किसी एक पे कम ट्रैफिक आ रही है या कोई आपकी ब्लॉग पोस्ट ज़्यादा शेयर नहीं हो रही, तो वो क्यों नहीं हो रही? बिकॉज उसमें मे बी वो वैल्यू नहीं है, वो बात नहीं है जो आपकी ऑडियंस चाह रही है. मे बी यू आर नॉट केटरिंग टू देयर नीड्स, मे बी उस प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं की गई जो उनका सोर पॉइंट है, जो उनका पेन पॉइंट है. सो व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट दीज थिंग्स, you find out where your website content lacks, and when you find out the weakest links, the shortcomings, you can then improvise the content accordingly. If you keep doing that on a regular basis, you make sure to have lots of relevant and exciting and value providing content on your website that keeps your audience hooked to it for a very long time. And that is how your website grows, and when your website grows, your clientele grows, and you continue to thrive in your work. I hope this course provided you with the necessary value that you were seeking from it. When you finish this course, you would understand how and why to create meaningful website content, and you would be equipped with all the strategies that can facilitate you in creating very meaningful and very strong and very compelling website content. तो जो आपकी weak website copy है, अब वो transform हो जाएगी into a very powerful one. And that is how you will position yourself as a better content writing in the industry and get better clients. And obviously turn your bank account into a very fat one.